All right, y'all. Vlogmas day 3. We are getting ready to start painting. Again, this is the second day of painting. We should be done today. My house is a wreck. I've got all manner of stuff in my closet. My bedroom is a total wreck. The rest of the house is a wreck because I have had to put stuff in other parts of the house. So, the house is a small wreck because stuff is just everywhere. It's just out of sorts for me because I can't do out of sorts. I actually had to sleep on the couch last night. Pillows. I had to do a live video last night. So just a couple other things. So I've got to put this project to bed. I cannot live in these circumstances. I can't live in these, I can't live like this. So what we're getting ready to do is we are getting ready to finish these last couple of walls. Jackson's not home yet, and he's going to take care of the trim work. But what I'm going to do is go ahead and get the things painted that I can get painted that are not trim. So like the main parts of the wall, right? My sister came last night and she helped. She did the extension. So really we just have the top section of that tall wall because my sister couldn't reach it, right? That wall is done. Here, I just have a little bit of like touch up along that edge. And then we have this wall and then right through there where the bathroom is, that little alcove over here. So, I mean, to me, it doesn't seem like a lot. If I can go ahead and start rolling, I'm going to be pretty much done. And I need to be done because projects that last days and days and days, I can't live in those situations and circumstances. They really make me nervous and it needs to be put to bed. So I've already changed my clothes. I just put the same clothes I had back. Well, I put the same top back on and different pants than I had yesterday. And so I'm going to get started. And Alana just let the dogs out. The guy just came to do the 3-month spray. So let me check to see if he left a bill. No, he's still sitting in his car. I don't know what he's doing, but whatever. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to get paint started. I'm going to get pouring. And Alana, will you bring me a trash bag, though, before you get... Okay. I'll get it. No problem. Huh? The front door? Oh. What's going on? It's fine. Ain't no problem. We'll be okay. Anyway, I'm going to get some bags so I can get started.
I'm an encourager.
Oh, that's not helpful. It would go so much faster if we had another person.
I told you I would paint.
Alrighty, you guys. So we are done. Jackson got all of the trim work done. We borrowed a ladder from our neighbor. We are going to get one. I just figured I could order one on Amazon and they could deliver it here and I won't have to try to find a way to get it here. I did purchase a new bedspread and that's what that looks like. I am going to paint my furniture, but I don't have time to do it right now. That could be a Vlogmas. It may be the new year. Who's to say? But there is my file cabinet that just holds some of my beauty things. This is going to be my new filming area. I'm going to put the backdrop back up. It's just not up now because the wall is actually close to midnight right now, and I needed Jackson to get in the bed because he has school. So that's not up. I've got my picture here that will go up over here, which is where we moved the TV to. That piece is going to be painted as well. All of the furniture in this room will be black to match what we already have in here that is black. So the color of the wall is called Mesmerize, and it's Walmart paint. I can't remember the name. If I can remember, I'll link it down or just write it in. Mesmerize is the gray color, and then the black color is called Great Black. But we, you know, still have a few little touch-up things that we need to do. For the most part, I mean, we rocked it out. We've never done a room this big just by ourselves. My friend Susie helped us do the living room, and she's really good at the cutting in stuff. So this was all us, and Jackson really did a great job. And sister, she helped with the cleaning and the doing all the things. Anywho, there it is, you guys. This is Vlogmas Day 3. We tired, and we going to bed. It is 11:41, and I have to work in the morning, and Jackson has school. So we are done for the night. We do want to thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.